Guru Mela has brought for you a very fresh township project at Dokali, and this is in Thane. So before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe because Guru Mela brings you close to your dream home. A very prestigious developer Godrej. Godrej has brought you this project at Dokali location. Dokali आज एक ऐसी location है which is very closer to all of the main junctions. So Majivada, Kaparbaudi, Balkum, all of these junctions are hardly 5 minutes away. Here you get 4 metro stations within 2.5 kilometer. Yes, you get Balkum metro station, Kaparbaudi metro station, Majivada metro station and Wagbil metro station. यहाँ से रेलवे स्टेशन इज हार्डली 4.5 किलोमीटर्स, तो रेलवे स्टेशन हो जाता है हार्डली 10 to 15 मिनट्स के डिस्टेंस पे. दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज द मोस्ट लो डेंसिटी प्रोजेक्ट अक्रॉस थाने लोकेशन बिकॉज ये है आपका पूरा 6.5 एकर्स का लैंड पार्सल. ये पूरे डोकाली में दिस इज द लोएस्ट डेंसिटी प्रोजेक्ट बिकॉज इन 6.5 acres Godrej has launched only 5 towers and here they are coming up with 18 retail shops. So basically Godrej will try to pull good international brands here like Starbucks or Shiv Sagar, all of these brands here. So basically ये आपका बन जाता है एक पूरा township project. Now let me tell you about the world class amenities here. So Godrej has launched total 5 towers, out of which one tower is very premium and exclusively designed because it has rooftop amenities. So rooftop amenities में आपको मिलता है infinity pool which overlooks the hills of the Thane. अब आपने amenities के बारे में तो जान लिया. Now I'll tell you ये घर खरीदना कैसे है. So Godrej has brought first time in India an exclusive payment plan which is 1% payment plan. I know आपको ये जानना होगा कि ये 1% payment plan है क्या. So to know about it, you need to contact Guru Mela. वेलकम टू आवर 3 BHK सैम्पल फ्लैट. सो गोदरेज आपको देता है स्टार्टिंग में दिस इज योर फायर सेफ्टी डोर एंड हियर यू गेट द फॉयर स्पेस एट द एंट्रेंस. नाउ लेट मी शो यू योर लिविंग प्लस डाइनिंग एरिया. सो यहाँ पे आपको मिलता है आपका लिविंग एरिया. इस तरफ आप अपना सोफा चेयर प्लेस कर सकते हैं एंड दिस साइड यू कैन मेक योर ओन टीवी यूनिट. दिस इज योर एक्सक्लूसिवली डाइनिंग एरिया जो हमने अलग से आपको दिया है. सो बेसिकली ये जो लिविंग एरिया है ये आपका L शेप का लिविंग एरिया है. हियर यू गेट द डाइनिंग स्पेस, दैट साइड is your living area. Now let me show you the most premium and my favorite part of this flat. This is the deck of the apartment. This is total 40 square feet of the deck. Here you can place 2 chairs, 1 table and you can unwind. You can make it a mini garden and chill with your friends. Now let me take you to the other parts. यहाँ पे आपका आ जाता है common washroom. Now this is your master bedroom number 1. Guys, this is 120 square feet of master bedroom. 10 by 12 का आपका master bedroom मिलता है. यहाँ पे नीचे आपको fixed glass मिलेंगे, ऊपर आपको मिलेगा movable glass which will give you a feel of balcony. And now this side is your master washroom and here you get the space for wardrobe. सो ये आपका यूटिलिटी स्पेस है. यू कैन मेक इट एज अ स्टोरेज स्पेस एज वेल. ये आपका कनेक्ट होता है मास्टर बेडरूम से भी. ये है आपका मास्टर बेडरूम नंबर 2. दिस इज मोर देन 100 स्क्वायर फीट. दैट साइड यू गेट द स्पेस फॉर वार्डरोब. ये है आपका बेड स्पेस. यहाँ पे आप आराम से किंग साइज बेड प्लेस कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे आप अपना मिनी टीवी यूनिट डिजाइन कर सकते हो. हियर यू कैन डिजाइन योर ड्रेसिंग टेबल एंड दिस साइड यू गेट द French windows. फ्लोर टू सीलिंग का आपको French windows मिलेगा and that side is your master washroom. Now the flooring that you can see here, you will get the exact same flooring. This is Italian marble flooring. You will get this in your apartment and whatever sanitary fittings that you have seen in the washrooms, you will get the exact same thing. All the fixtures remains the same and with the same brand. Now let me show you the common bedroom. So this is your very pretty common bedroom. This is 90 plus square feet. That side you get the space for wardrobe. Here you get again floor to ceiling height का French windows which gives you the feel of balcony. यहाँ पे you can design your mini study table kind of thing. Now this is your very spacious Kitchen of the apartment, guys. Here you get parallel platforms on both the sides, where this is your service platform and here you can cook easily. That side you get the dedicated space for the refrigerator, and here comes your utility space. So this utility space, here you will also get the provision for the tap, and you can use it for your washing machine and drying space. So this is what Godrej Ascent has to offer you at Dokali location. This is a very premium project because it is the most low density project. You will get your own time, your own space to enjoy all the amenities fully. As I talk about this project, this is a very excellent opportunity for our investors as well, because Godrej Ascent is offering you a very competitive price in the market. 1 BHK is starting just at 83 lakhs, and 3 BHK, you won't believe, it is below 2 CR, all inclusive below 2 CR. It includes your stamp duty, registration, GST and 2 car parks. So here we go. This is your opportunity to get your dream home with Grumela in 2025. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and dream, dare, live with Grumela.